Hey Fat Yogi friends, so for today's video we will be going over bridge. I would love to break it down for you a little bit more. Don't know what my hair is doing, but that's what it is. I also want to remind you guys I do have a subscription, Flow with Tiffany. It's only $29. The link is in the description. And I would love to flow with you over Zoom. So if you would love to do hour-long classes with me every week, $29 full monthly subscription, so check that out. Also, I just released some merch, so I'll toss that in somewhere here. You guys, I have tank tops, t-shirts, sweatshirts. I picked a bunch of different things in my favorite colors, so go grab your gear on that link down below. T-shirts and sweatshirts, it's only available for 2 weeks, so this is uploaded today. It'll be like 13 days from today, and then all the orders will be shipped out August 4th. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna order a couple of shirts and everything, but I figured 2 weeks is plenty of time to get people to get some stuff. I've been having a lot of people ask me about it. All right, so let's find our backs and get comfy and bridge. Have a block handy if you like, or a bolster. I like just a block, but you could also do a bolster. So I'll have my block maybe right here. So find your back, and on your back, relax your neck. I can't stress this enough. Neck relaxed. So when you're lifting and your chest is coming up, you're literally coming in on your neck. So that's important. Make sure nothing is beside you. And the first variation is making sure your feet are directly behind your hips, or as close to your hips as you can, heels as close as you can. Knees are up to the sky. Engage your core here. Press your hands into the mat. Press them. You could feel the whites of your fingers on your fingertips, right? Chest is lifted. Engage your core and tuck your pelvis so that your little scoop in your spine really engages with the mat. And then hold here and press your arms into the mat and breathe. And then release. Okay, that variation turns on everything. So you engage your core, you tilt your pelvis, and you press your arms into the mat. The triceps should be burning during this. So let's realign and let's have our block handy, okay? So have your block within arm's length. You can have it like this, you can have it up. I probably wouldn't do that height. Think about how high you're going to be lifting your spine and where you'll be setting your block. So thinking about it to be on your bum or the bottom of your spine. So lifting up, so let's line up, set your feet down, press your feet into the mat, engage your core, tuck your pelvis, press your hands into the mat. Now lift up. Take your block and place it under your spine, at the base of your spine, kind of on your bum, or wherever it feels good. It should kind of be right at your sacrum. I like it at the lowest level. This feels good. You're getting a back bend. You can still engage here. So engage your core, engage your hamstrings, press into the mat. This is just for extra guidance, but if you'd like for this to be passive, you could also be passive. Relax everything. And then lift your hips back up and set them back down. And it's important that in between your bridges that you just kind of allow your knees to go back and forth, because it kind of resets your spine. Okay, so full pose. Let's stack our feet back down, press our hands into the mat, tuck our chin, lift our hips, engage your core here, engage your booty butt here. Maybe even roll your shoulders underneath and grab your hands. Now move your feet closer together and then press your feet into the mat and then press your knees together. Really focus on your arms coming down. And breathe. Release your arms, untuck your shoulders, slowly allow your spine to come down. And you can even do a reclined butterfly just to allow your spine to relax. You can bring your knees in and waddle back and forth. And then roll onto one side, come up, and that's bridge. Hope you enjoyed this. And I mean, I feel like you could get a good workout in a couple minutes just by practicing one pose. Enjoy. Bye.